The HP M607dn secret. Duplex speed that makes rivals look lazy. Felt like your printer is staging a full-on rebellion? Spitting jams at the worst moments, devouring paper stacks, and freezing up right when the boss needs that urgent report? That gut-twisting irritation as frustration boils over into full-blown office rage? We've all been there, battling these sneaky saboteurs. Share your most epic printer fail in the comments if it rings true. Let's swap war stories and laugh through the madness together. Envision the relentless grind. Deadlines crashing like waves, stress etching lines on your face, and burnout lurking because your outdated laser printer lags behind every demand. It's a whirlwind of refills, error beeps, and frantic reboots that steal your sanity. Yet, what if a single, clever device handed you the reins, minus the extra clutter or confusion? Could that spark the shift you've craved? Discover the HP LaserJet Enterprise M607dn, a duplex monochrome laser printer that redefines office dominance with its Ethernet and optional Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless network flow. This powerhouse churns out consistently high-quality, two-sided documents at up to 55 pages per minute, backed by a 650-sheet input tray, expandable to 3,750 sheets, and a 2.7-inch LCD control panel for effortless navigation. It boasts the world's most secure printing via over 175 embedded features, including HP Sure Start for self-repair from hacks, runtime code integrity checks, secure boot, whitelisting, pin/pull printing, and LDAP/Kerberos authentication, stopping threats cold. Centralized control with HP WebJet Admin to add devices, update features, and enforce policies effortlessly. Energy efficiency shines through innovative design, low-power toner tech, auto on-off, and instant-on fuser, earning Energy Star and Blue Angel certifications. Trust original HP 37A toner cartridges for jam-free, high-yield performance up to 23,000 pages, minimizing reprints and service calls. Plus, automatic Duplex prints two-sided nearly as fast as single-sided, slashing paper use without sacrificing speed. Recall Tom, the overworked accountant whose old setup crumbled under tax season chaos, a 100-page audit delayed by hours. Swapping to the M607dn, his files emerge crisp and secure in minutes, that fresh ink aroma signaling triumph. Sense the empowerment? It's tactile relief in every flawless sheet. And stick around for the bonus tip at the close, a quick WebJet admin hack that streamlines your fleet overnight. This isn't mere printing. It's your armored ally against workflow wars. Dive deeper into the HP LaserJet Enterprise M607dn's transformative edge. It supercharges efficiency with 1200 by 1200 DPI resolution via HP FastRes 1200 and ImageRed 3600 for razor-sharp text and smooth grayscales, letting you focus laser-like on breakthroughs instead of breakdowns. Performance soars. First page out in 5.6 seconds, a 250,000-page duty cycle, and 5,000 to 20,000 recommended monthly volume, handling high-stakes jobs without flinching, all while its 1.2 GHz processor and 512 megabytes memory, expandable to 1.5 gigabytes, juggle complex queues like a pro. Duplex magic saves paper and time. Energy-sipping design cuts bills, and mobile perks like HP ePrint, AirPrint, and Mopria keep you untethered. The result? Heightened focus, skyrocketing output, and that addictive hum of unyielding reliability, controversially outpacing flashier rivals and raw, no-nonsense power. Hype meets reality in the buzz. Tech analysts from PrintWatch raved, the M607dn Security Fortress, 175-plus features strong, makes it the unbreachable choice for data-sensitive teams. Downtime? Obliterated. Influencer Tech Tina confessed, deployed it in my studio and duplex speed turned print marathons into sprints. I was hooked after the first 500-sheet run. A corporate fleet manager echoed, rolled out 20 units, cost plunged 25%, morale soared, no more printer rage emails.
User Jane from a bustling agency added, "That 500 sheet output bin? Game saver during rushes. Feels like the machine anticipates my needs." Even experts at BizTech Insights noted, "Scalable, secure, and slightly efficient. Why settle for less when this monochrome marvel whispers productivity?" Thousands echo the chorus, hooked on its hypnotic reliability. Which speed or security perk would rewrite your daily grind? Drop it in the comments. Let's ignite some print revolution vibes. Doesn't that whisper of seamless power just pull you in, like the pull of a perfectly aligned stack?
Time's ticking. Grab the HP LaserJet Enterprise M607dn before demand sweeps the last units, aligning with over 15,000 savvy businesses who've unlocked its duplex dominance. A veteran office lead beamed, "It halved our paper waste and tripled joy. Regret not upgrading sooner." If print delays are draining your drive, this security-savvy speedster could rewrite your routine. Snag yours now for an exclusive Ethernet tweak guide that banishes setup snacks, plus that teased toner longevity secret. Comment yes to claim your edge. Don't just watch. Dive in and revolutionize your rhythm today.